Now, you might be wondering, what about nonfiction? Now, nonfiction has a lot of different aspects to it. If we look at our map, we can see that our nonfiction starts next to the chapter books. Really, this area called the easy reads is a combination of fiction and nonfiction. And what that means is it's mostly picture books or books that contain either very low-level Lexile style reading or sometimes very difficult Lexile reading, but mostly they are books like coffee table books where they have been presented in mainly picture format, not necessarily really great for testing, but they're good for casual reading. Now, next to that is a very important section of nonfiction known as biography. And in the biography section, you will find a lot of books that deal with the lives of important people, either the lives that have been written about by other authors. That's the biography. I'm writing a book about George Washington. It was his life. I'm writing about it. That's a biography of George Washington. Or if, let's say, George Washington had written a book about himself, that would be known as an autobiography. We put those in the biography section also. Also, it's nonfiction. So we have a strong nonfiction reading component to our language arts program, and biography is a great place to start if you need nonfiction because they involve books about people from history or people in the current day that have led great lives and are super role models perhaps to learn about and maybe emulate someday, just to see how things were done before you got here. Now, the rest of the nonfiction section involves a whole lot of great places. Nonfiction is organized according to our Dewey Decimal System, but we do have along the shelves little labels that indicate what kind of subject matter is being dealt in each different area that you come to in nonfiction. Nonfiction ranges starting on the left from 000 all the way to the right end of the section, 999. 0 to 999 is our range of numbers, including a lot of things like world records, Guinness Book, Ripley's kind of things, mysterious places, scary places, strange phenomenon, myths and legends. We have all kinds of things on science, all the different sciences, technologies, engineering, machines, and that includes awesome cars and motorcycles. We have books about animals, not just pets, but all kinds of animals. Animals in the wild, animals you could have at home. Cookbooks, poetry, lots of books on sports, and a whole lot of books on history and culture. Those are arranged 0 to 999 according to that Dewey Decimal System. But if that seems overwhelming, look, we have labels on the shelves. You can go and look and just look at the labels and look within those sections and find something just if you're browsing shelves.